रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम. Before I start addressing the Prime Minister of Israel, I request any one of my brothers to send this video to him if one can do this. Mr. Prime Minister of Israel, though you don't deserve to be called as Mr., but because my Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to address the leaders of different religions and send letters to the kings of different countries, so I am doing the same. There should not be any hesitance and compromise in telling the truth and warning the guilty. So I am addressing you. It may not reach you and may not affect your heart, because I don't believe you have any beating heart in your chest, rather a stone you have. But even then I am addressing you so that if not you, other common people may know some realities who are misguided by your false propaganda. I am a layman and putting some simple questions and comments in front of you in simple English language so that a layman can understand some reality about you, your illegal country and your dangerous aims. Some questions and comments are here. Number 1, if genocide in Gaza is your religious act and if you believe in Old Testament, is it not written in that book that killing an innocent person is like killing all the humanity? Number 2, if your people are waiting for Messiah, then the real Messiah has already come. Jesus Christ, Isa we call him, peace be upon him. But your ancestors refused him as a prophet and tried to crucify him, though Almighty Allah has lifted him on the heavens. Number 3, you people are not waiting for Messiah, but Antichrist. We call him as Dajjal, who is a false Messiah and will be killed by real Messiah Jesus Christ, peace be upon him, who will come down from heavens in the last days of the world, which is coming nearer. Number 4, is it not right that Palestine was under the rule of Muslims, Ottoman Empire, till the early days of 20th century, under the rule of Sultan Abdul Hamid? You were permitted by Western countries to purchase lands in Palestine. Then UNO approved some land, piece of land in Palestine to you people in 1948. But you people expanded your land and expelled the real inhabitants of Palestine and now want to kill all Muslim Palestinians and occupy a whole land of Palestine. Number 5, you people are outsiders in the Palestine country, came to that place with torn clothes and shoes, and Muslims helped you to stay and flourish, but today you are killing your benefactors. Number 6, after Jesus was lifted to heavens, you people were cursed by God, Allah Almighty, and you people wandered in the world for 19 centuries, and you people used to live in ghettos because Christians were not allowing you people to enter into the markets and the city of their place. In those days, which is called as diaspora by you people, Muslim rulers of Spain, that time called as Hispania, allowed you people to come to Spain, get education in Spanish universities and flourish. Even your first Prime Minister called that period as golden era of Jews during the diaspora. But you people were killing now. But you people are killing now to your well-wishers and helpers and benefactors. How strange it is. Number 7, it was Hitler who killed you people in Germany in lakhs of numbers. Now you people, because now yourself is, I regard you as a second Hitler who is killing Muslims, innocent inhabitants of Palestine. Number 8, It was Christians who treated you people unjustly for centuries together. But you people are killing and taking revenge with Muslims. How strange this also. Number 9, you people talk of human rights. But where is the human rights observation in Palestine and Gaza? Number 10, remember, if you kill one innocent person without a valid reason, many more will become terrorists, what you call, but we call them as jihadis or mujahideen, and it will be a chain reaction. You don't take any lesson from the fate of Ariel Sharon, who killed thousands of innocent people in Sabra and Shatila, and he went into coma and stayed in coma for long 8 years, then died helplessly. The anti-Islamic forces like you and your friend Mr. Joe, the president of US, you people don't take any lessons from the war of Afghanistan, where all the world was on one side and Mujahideen were on other side, who were fighting for their faith and for their land. Remember, you can kill mujahids, but can't kill their faith and their ambitions. You have army and weapons, but we have faith in Almighty Allah, who is helping and will help in future. You people are working to establish new world order or Jew world order, but Allah will bring just world order of Islam, inshallah. Inshallah.